Today, enterprises ingest, process, and analyze increasingly large amounts of streaming data from on-premises to cloud or from cloud to cloud to respond to evolving IT needs. This hybrid approach presents many challenges, including complex cloud configuration and setup, multiple disjointed streaming applications, complicated data security, and compliance issues. Cloudera's DataFlow for DataHUB is the industry's most modern, flexible, and scalable data streaming platform for the public cloud. It extends the same end-to-end data-in-motion platform capabilities from on-premises to the cloud by leveraging pre-built cluster definitions within Cloudera Data Platform. Simply spin up NiFi, Kafka, or Flink clusters from a predefined list of cluster sizes onto a public cloud environment in a matter of mere minutes, with just a single click. Flow Management for DataHUB offers a no-code interface to easily extend your data orchestration flows to the cloud. Streams Messaging for DataHUB offers sophisticated messaging capabilities to scale your streaming architecture. And Streaming Analytics for DataHUB processes millions of data points in real time to provide actionable insights. Implement end-to-end streaming use cases with this connected architecture with full confidence, knowing that your data is protected by SDX, a platform layer that powers Cloudera DataFlow with unified security, governance, and single sign-on across all components. Go hybrid. Make it easy with Cloudera DataFlow for DataHUB.